This in-person art workshop that we held a couple of months ago, we discussed how using curves and circles affect compositions in a different way. So I asked the students to cut out various curved, circular shapes out of papers and then create a collage, thinking very carefully about the use of positive and negative space. And we discussed all the different possibilities, and some people worked in a series like these, and others just made their own papers and created their collages from that. Task was to transpose the collage into paint, and it was amazing how wonderful these turned out and how good it was to have that reference collage to work from instead of just working completely from scratch with paint. So I loved how they approached each one differently and created these amazing abstract compositions.
What is it?